Okay, so what kind of situation do we have at the moment on XRP USD? Now, if you remember, we had basically already identified this very nice impulse to the downside, followed by this very slow retracement. Now, if you want to measure this retracement, what are you supposed to be doing? Taking your Fibonacci from the high to the low. And what you can see that the market went for a perfect retest of the 50% Fibonacci retracement, which is the Fibonacci retracement level, which is basically lining up the best with structure. Why? Because we have the 50% lining up with this previous support here, against support here, turn resistance, broke to the upside, turn support, and now it is resistance. So basically a nice confluence of resistance that the market went to a retest at this level. Now, from a daily perspective, if you remember, the market was around this area here when we last analyzed a XRP USD. The market was here, and we said if the market will make the nice push to the upside, what we will have a market that will have created basically this overextended W formation. After an overextended W formation, what do you expect? You expect the market to show a reaction to the pattern and start a push to the downside. Basically, go for the completion of the pattern at this structure. Now, the market has gone here this high to test the confluence of resistance that we have already identified from a weekly perspective. Now, if you found a good shorting opportunity on lower time frames inside of this area, then now basically you are running in a very nice trade, risk-free, and basically we will see how this will go. If it melts, it's a very good risk to reward trade. On the other side, if you're still not in this short position at the moment, entering the market from here makes no sense because the market at the moment is basically decelerating. Therefore, we might get another push to the upside, possibly to create this W formation from a 4-hour perspective. So basically, how are you supposed to be approaching this? Now, if you're already in a short from here, just write the trade risk free. If you're not already in the short, then what I suggest you to do is basically to be monitoring again price action around this area if the market will go higher and will basically start to shift from a bullish market to a bearish market from a 4-hour perspective, because at the moment everything is still bullish on the 4 hours and the market can easily just continue to the upside as it can do with a BTC USD. And obviously at the moment XRP USD and BTC USD are still correlating. So basically how we will be approaching this with students: if the market will finally shift from a bullish market to a bearish market inside of this area and provide to us one of our valid entries, then we will be taking a nice short with a good risk to reward and good probabilities for a nice push to the downside. But if everything will remain like this, at the moment there is no opportunity to be looking for a short unless basically you already entered from here and you are risk-free if you shorted from the confluence of resistance. Now, if you enjoyed this free analysis and education, make sure to drop a like and a comment. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you, and I will see you in the next video.